Hey, welcome back. Well, I bought this tool here to help me jack up my car. It's got a pinch weld where you're supposed to put your jack, and I've been using a little block of wood across my pad here, and I don't like what it's doing to my weld, and the wood splits and everything else, so you've probably been there. Anyway, I ran across this tool here, and what it's designed to do is sit on your jack, on your pad there, to give you a little bit better support. But you don't put it on your pad when you install it, because this one has magnets in it, and this is a metal one, by the way. They make these in rubber and different brands and all this and that. Anyway, you can position it on your jack like this, or you can just put it up on the weld, because it has some magnets to hold itself to the weld. And then that So I positioned it on my pinch weld, and the magnets do hold it in place. Now I just line my jack up with the bottom of the tool. And I'm good to go. Now that's the easy way to do it. You can see that my weld is bent. My pinch weld here is bent a little bit, probably from using the wood before. But this thing seems to fit it real nice. So far I'm very happy with it. I'll be using it, see how long it lasts. Being red color like it is, round, it also gives you something to aim your jack at. Nice tool. So until the next video, I want to thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Till the next video, Steve AZ711 saying bye for now.